Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to replace rear windshield wiper Nissan Pathfinder. Lift the wiper arm, unclip the old blade, slide the new blade onto the adapter, and snap it into place securely. I will describe common adapter types, demonstrate safe arm handling to avoid glass damage, and share quick tips to test the new blade for proper contact and noise. Follow along step by step for a smooth replacement. Start by lifting the rear arm off the glass with gentle, steady pressure to avoid abrupt movement. Find the small release tab or button on the blade connection, press or slide it, and pull the blade away from the hook or stud. If the blade is stubborn, wiggle it slightly while applying steady outward force to avoid bending the arm or scratching the glass during removal. Keep the old blade for size reference. Align the replacement blade adapter with your Pathfinder's rear arm type and slide it into position until you hear a secure click. Lower the arm slowly to rest against the glass, then power the wipers briefly to confirm full range and quiet operation. If you notice skipping or gaps, lift the arm and reseat the blade, checking for any debris or misalignment. Finalize by wiping the glass and blade to ensure clean.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.